Hello everyone, my name is André Felipe Solano and today I'm gonna show you how to create a cabinet family in the software called Revit. First of all, we have to open the software and open a family template called casework. This template has the reference planes and everything to create this kind of family. Firstly, we are going to create the general frame for the cabinet, so we have to duplicate and copy some of the reference levels in order to specify the thickness of all the panels, interior, exterior panels. So for this we have to create some dimensions that we are gonna add some parameter for these ones. In this case, I want all the frames in the same thickness, so I'll create the same. I'll assign the same parameter for every everyone. After that, we can start building the frame by creating a instruction and in this way. Just after finishing creating the instruction, sometimes you have to adjust it in order to fit to make it fit into the lines or reference lines that you have created. And now we are gonna make the back panel for the cabinet. This is gonna have the same thickness of the other panels, but we have to create another reference plane called inside bottom in order to adjust the location, to specify the good location for the back panel. Once we have finished it, we can create another instruction in order to build the panel and adjust like we did in the previous step. Once we For the internal shelves, we can create another intermediate reference plans, equal distance between each of them in order to create a regular plan and um, generate a parametric design in order to, when you move or change the distances and the widths and depths of or all the dimension of the cabinet, the shelves are gonna be located regularly inside the cabinet, and for this process we have to create more reference plans and add parameters in order to specify this kind of parametric elements inside the cabinet that we are creating in this moment. Once we have finished making the reference plans and everything, every parameter, we can now make the extrude and lock it with the reference plan that we did previously. And because I want in this case to create a similar panel, we can duplicate it in the other or the lower shelf, and just making sure that the instruction and the lines that create the instruction are locked with the reference plan that we did. Finally, we can create the front panels or the doors that are gonna be in front of the cabinet. In this, for this, we have to create another reference plan just a little bit in front of the a whole structure in order to create the two doors that this model has, and we have to create another parameter that are gonna help us to control the thickness of the panel. Once we have finished this, we have to adjust and lock everything with the parameters that we did previously. In order to create the second door, we have to repeat the process that we did previously with the one that is located in the top part of our cabinet. And finally, once we have finished all the exterior elements, we have to add the handles for this cabinet. So I'm creating more reference lines and adding a handle that it is another family previously created for this assignment, and we can assign a reference plan for these elements and log them with the reference line that we create for these elements in order to, when we want to move or change the elements, we just have to they are gonna be controlled with the parameters that we added to them. And in this order, we have a whole parametric family that is gonna work in different for different spaces and with different types